Today we are going to get access this video relevant to how to run social media marketing campaigns and how to run social media posts for an organization, for your client. This works for 2019 and beyond. Let's check these tools which helps you. These are the list of tools for the social media platforms where the user engagement is skewed, like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Snapchat, Medium, Tumblr, YouTube, Reddit, Dig and WhatsApp. These are the social media areas where the user engagement is skewed. Millions of billions of people has been engaged into this platform, so that if you do any social marketing over there for your product or the services, then you can drive good traffic and good sales to our organization, to our clients. Let's check this. These are the platforms which has been involved for scheduling the social media posts. These are the free tools also which helps you to rank well and rank better in the social media results. So mainly for scheduling any social media post, there should be a time interval. Schedule the post around 1 o'clock to 3 p.m. by the time the user's engagement is skewed. So the time intervals also matters before scheduling any post. So this is the free social media scheduling websites. Like these are the free tools like Social Mentions, Hotsuite, TweetDeck, Samall, Floor Walk, How Sociable, Clark, TweetPitch, Crowdfire, Social Pilot Co, Buffer, BuzzSumo, C4, LastPass, Postfix, Shares Recount. These are the few platforms. These are the free platforms where we can do a scheduling of the post or designing of our post, and we can engage. You can check the engagement of the social media post. This will help you a lot. Now we will check what are the key terms or the requirements has been involved before doing any social media post. Let's check. Keep a clear-cut goal. What is our goal and what is the client goal? What is looking at? Sales, leads, traffic towards your post or towards the page or towards the website. And know the promotional rules or the guidelines of the particular social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, everything. They have certain guidelines. And so if you follow that guidelines, then you can drive good traffic towards the product or the services of the page. And choose the right platform for doing this post. And don't do a social media SEO. And create the campaign for the specific page and specific product and specific landing page. And increase your post by influencing the post. Like make sure it should go viral. And finally measure the how many clicks happen, how many impressions happen on your post. These are the basic requirement, basic steps you should follow before doing any social media post or social media marketing. And if you run organic or the paid, these things if you follow, for sure you will drive good traffic towards the product your services. Then finally you will check how to run a social media ad for paid campaign for any any social media platform. I'll take an example, Facebook. In Facebook, how to run a any post and how to run a campaign, how to run a paid campaign. So this is the example which helps you out. And log in into your Facebook business page and then click to create a new campaign. And there you should make sure to set up a goal like brand awareness, traffic, leads or conversions. And finally you will get the conversion pixel code over there. Set up the conversions either for tracking or the leads or the actions. And finally click on the offer, check offer and create the post. And click on the variables. Variables you can add the audience, either the placements and delivery method. And finally, and if you check the placements wherever like audience targeting, like demographic and the locality and the pages wherever our ad has to be posted or ad has to be shown. And finally select the delivery method. So nothing but choosing the budget, daily budget, how much you are willing to spend. And finally set up the ad and do A to B testing and preview the testing and preview your ad once it goes live. And finally ad will go live. This is how the complete strategy has been involved while doing any social media platform. You should follow their guidelines. We should know insights and how our post will go viral. These are the basic steps we have to take care before doing any activity for social media platform, before running any campaign for social media marketing. And it works for 2019 and beyond. Thank you.